Good afternoon, sir. I am Jan Oswald Kahulaw, currently taking a BA English Language. My speech is all about the effects of overpopulation in the Philippines. So, overpopulation is the most common problems around the world because it affects the economy, the demands of the foods that leads to the food scarcity. It is it is also increased that and it is also increased the chance to poverty, especially when you are not ready financially, or what we say that you are dependent to your parents. Here in Philippines, we need to deal with a major problem that poses a threat to economic growth, to deal with the economic growth. It is one of the factors that cause unemployment. According to the National Statistic Office, it indicates that the population would be projected at would be 110 million in area in Philippines in the next years. So in Kwan, the growth rate of 2.3% annually, which is one of the highest in Asia. Due to the high unemployment rate, many of the workforce as our taxpayers, which means that the budget collection is very low. In short, overpopulation creates unemployment creates poverty, and poverty impedes economic growth. If overpopulation could only be solved, the government could allot more of the budget needed to growth and development rather than shelling at huge fund for housing projects. Government is address the issue of the overpopulation by holding family planning campaigns and disseminating proper information on contraceptives. So proper information on contraceptives. However, being a Catholic and Christian country, the church still remains to be an impediment. Due to this, the promotion of such initiative remains to be debated by the government and a church for a long time. So for me, there is no one can stop overpopulation, but it is ourselves only. If you can't ready to be a parent, avoid doing premarital sex if you are not stable financially. So kay mo magunay makakause of pregnancy and cause mga labi na ka ng mga dili pa ka handa sa financially. So if what is the pros and cons in having a big family? So the pros is the mamanay sa Filipino nga the bigger the family, the happy family. So the more happier. So if the children finishes their studies all, so there are tendency nga muangat din sila kay because of the big family. So we need to control we ourselves can contribute the control of the overpopulation by controlling ourselves. Thank you.